Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere you say.
I really appreciate you all for subscribing to this channel. I really thank you. I say thank you very much for liking, subscribing, commenting, and then sharing. So, on today's recipe is very simple. Again, I'm going to do couscous with vegetables. So, let's go on with our ingredients as usual. We have our couscous, salt to taste, habanero pepper, our ginger, garlic, green peas, tomatoes, carrots, our bell peppers, onion, our cucumber. In Italy we call it cucumber, but it's turmeric powder. And then we have our black pepper, and then our chicken sauce. That's where we're going to use it. Of course, that's how the couscous look like. In Italy here, that's the box. Then our olive oil. Very simple recipe. So let's start. You need a little bit of oil to fry your vegetables. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to use it to fry our vegetables. I'm putting my water on fire for the couscous. You add a little bit of oil and then salt to taste. Then cover it. Once our water is on fire, we are coming to start to fry our veggies. So I'm first putting my carrot because it's very hard. And then my green peas. And stir it for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's now time for me to add my grated ginger and then garlic. You also stir it. And you add your bell peppers. Stir it together. You add a little bit of black pepper. Just a little, not too much. Just a little. And then your turmeric powder. Just a half teaspoon. You also mix it. You add your fresh tomatoes. Mix everything together. Then add your onions. It's very simple recipe for the lunch. Very simple. Stir everything together. 1 teaspoon of your spices. That I'm using chicken one. You can use any type of spices that you have in your house. I'm using the chicken one. And you add your habanero pepper. Let's add a little bit of salt to taste. Just a little bit. You stir everything together and then leave it for just 2 minutes. Then it's ready. You can see our water too has boiled. So we are going to put our couscous inside. That's 1.5 cup of couscous. Stir it. The water is too much, so I'm going to drain a little bit water from it. I'm adding just a little bit of margarine to give it a taste. Then you off your fire, then cover it about 5 minutes. I've poured my couscous inside my vegetables, so let's mix everything together. Just look at it. Have you seen? It's very simple. Very simple one. Can even use shrimps, meat, any type of meat, chicken, goat meat, any type of meat that you want, or even fish, fried fish. You can enjoy with fried fish too. Always we are coming to enjoy with fried chicken thighs. How colorful it is. The habanero pepper is optional. If you don't like any pepper in it, don't add it, please. Please don't add it. Ready. Serve. Off the fire. Food is ready to be served. Very delicious. If you haven't tasted before, please try it. You will not regret. Just try it. If today too is the first time of watching my channel, please and please and please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Share, like and comment. Please. I love you all. Just look at your food. I'm going to enjoy it with our chicken. Whoa. Let's taste it. It's very delicious. I urge you to try it at home. Thank you for sitting back and watching my video. See you in our next recipe. Bye bye.